In this video, I'll show you how to disable photo tagging in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple privacy setting that can help you control who can tag you in photos and keep your account a little more private. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick social media guides. Let's get started. First, open x.com and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to open the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy controls, and safety options. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. Inside this section, you'll find the controls that affect how other people interact with your profile and content. Now click on Audience, Media, and Tagging. This menu contains the settings for who can see your post, how media is displayed, and how tagging works on your account. After that, click on Photo Tagging. This is the specifics option that controls whether people can tag you in photos. To turn it off, simply toggle photo tagging off. Once this is disabled, other users will no longer be able to tag you in photos on x.com. And that's it. You've successfully disabled photo tagging on x.com. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.